Hello dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be discussing JAM 2015, the numerical answer type question which can give you +2 marks if you answer it correctly. It is from the linear algebra. The question is of the general type. Many questions of this type has been asked in a multiple examination. It has a basic logic. In this question, we'll try to solve it. The similar logic could be used to solve any other problem of the same type. Let's see, the question is M2R be the vector space of 2 cross 2 real matrix. V is a subspace of it where the subspace is defined as collection of all those matrices which commutes with this, right? All those matrices with commute with 0, 2, 3, 1 is a part of V. So we already know it is a subspace. What we have to find, we just have to find what is the dimension of this V, right? So way to solve is just assume that A in the general form. Let that matrix A be A, B, C, D, which is commuting with 0, 2, 3, 1. So the answer is actually 0, 2, 3, 1 into A, B, C, D, right? So based on this, we'll try to get some relation of this unknowns A, B, C, D. So let us just multiply this two matrix. It is nothing but 3B. It is 2A plus B. Then it is 3D, 2C plus D. And that is equal to what? That is equal to, here also we multiply. So we get 2C. Then it is 2D. Then it is 3A plus C. Then it is 3B plus D. Okay, now we know that two matrices are equal if and only if each values are equal, right? All the values must be equal, then only two matrices are equal. So what I know is my 3B is same as 2C. So from this I get the relation my B must be same as 2 by 3 times C. So I found that my B depends on C. Okay, similarly let us just see this and this relation. So it is nothing but my 2A plus B is equal to 2D. Okay, so what I can write is, I can write this is 2A, the B can be written as 2C divided by 3, that answer is nothing but 2D. So ultimately if I simplify this, I cancel all the 2, D is equal to A plus C by 3. So I found that my D depends on A and C, right? Apart from this, can we get any other relation? Let us just try to see, right? Okay, so we have used the first and second entries. Let's see this entry. So my 3D is same as 3A plus C. I divide this by 3, I get D is equal to A plus C by 3, which is actually same as this. So this is not of any use to us, right? Let's just go for the last one over here and here. So I get my 2C plus D is same as 3B plus D. Right, what we can do, we just can cancel this from both the side. I found my B is same as 2 by 3C, which we already have. So we found this is also not of any use to us. So ultimately, we understood that my B depends on C and D depends on A and C. So my independent variable are A and C. When I am writing my set V now, let us just try to write that subspace V. V is nothing but collection of all A, B, C, D, where this A, B, C, D are elements of M2R, such that my B must be same as 2 by 3C and D must be same as A plus C by 3. Right, so ultimately what I found is, I have my matrix, A is independent, so A as it is, B is same as 2 by 3C, and the C is as it is, the D can be written as A plus C by 3. Right, and what about this A and C? The A and C are any real number. Correct? Now based on this information that you have, what you can conclude based on the information that you can see? What is the dimension of V now? right? What is the dimension of V? Since it depends on two variable, the dimension is going to be 2, because I can write my basis of V will look like, the first element would be 1 0 0 1, and the second element would be 0 2 by 3 1 and 1 by 3, right? So these are nothing but the basis element. I hope you understood how I wrote the basis element. If you are unable to get how I wrote the basis element, please let me know in the comment section. If you understood the proof, then also just let me know your feedback in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video till then. Bye bye.